Hello, my name is Anton and I'm Chief Architect at ProfiSea We have a machine learning algorithm underneath that is trying to understand what the current usage of the resource, and is trying to give a recommendation what to do with that resource. So for example, I have the EC2 instance, which is the Couchbase version 5, and the current type is M4 4x large, and the usage is 36%. This is what the machine learning is basically calculated, that the current usage is 36%. And the platform basically recommends that change it to M4 2x large, so make it 2 times less powerful. The usage will become 72%, but you will start saving $290 per month just on this machine. And you can expand. It will give you a couple of different options. So for example, I don't want to have a 72% of usage, of CPU usage. I want to have 55%, and then I can go to R5, 2x large. It will be a little bit less of savings, but again, it's $214 per month. And I can choose it, and I can basically click modify, and I can apply right from here. That's it. You see, it was like 16 vCPUs, it's going to be 8 vCPUs, same amount of memory. So I can change it right from here. And in total, it basically says that if I will apply all of the suggestions, I will save $4,300 just by changing the instance types. Yeah. So this is the right sizings.